Hello mga kadipat, this is Don Patrick D. Paraguilar and you are watching Dipat TV. Ladies and gentlemen, live broadcast from the city of Bordaneta in Pangasinan inside Dipat's laboratory located at Barangay Anonas. Don Patrick D. Paraguilar proudly brings to you the return of Dipat's Tamiya League as we continue Stock Motor Conference for 2023 to 2024. So this is the race for today, this month. It's going to be this kind of format. Ayan po yung track layout po natin for February 2024 right in front of you. So the starting line is going to be right here. Ayan, the blue one is the lane 1. The red marking is the lane 2. So this is the starting line. It's going to be like this. It's going to be like this. A 90-degree turn going to a lane changer. And then pagbagsak doon, zigzag. Tapos another 93-degree turn going to that DG straight out there. Yung gray na yon, DG straight po yan. May one small straight receiver. And then another 90-degree turn going to the bouncing straight. Yun po yung bouncing straight naman na common na ginagamit natin sa mga official races. Take note na ang ginagamit nating rule dito ay FIMA or FIMA rules, Federation International de Mini Four Wheel Drive Association rules. So international rule po yung sinusunod natin dito sa regardless of category, ang sinusunod natin yung FIMA rules. In conjunction din sa mga rules na natin, yung mga house rules ng ibang mga racing center. Combined na to, parang combined efforts nila. Ayan, naalog kasi. Kaya ginanong ko. Alright, so bouncing straight, may isang maliit, isang malaki na straight section, and then another zigzag, and then a 90-degree turn to close out that track layout for this month of love, February 2024. So that comprises the track layout for this month. And without further ado, it's now time for our Dipat's Tamiya League SMC. So, kukunin na po natin yung ating coin. Opo. So, without further ado, na-determine na natin yung ating mga rankings. It's now time to start up our group stage here on Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. Let's begin right away with our race number 1 of Team Home. Group A, it's going to be Archer Myrtle taking on Papa Roach, the first match for today or for tonight's Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference Edition. Yeah. Alright. So in our race number 1 of Team Home, it's going to be Archer Myrtle starting at lane 1, Papa Roach at lane 2. Alright mga ka-Dipat, let's get ready to rumble here inside Dipat's laboratory right here on Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference, beginning with this race number 1 of Team Home. Switch on. Ready, set, five. Good. Good. Patay. Okay. Hit. Winner. Archer Myrtle winner. Hit na yun, dahil kasi si Papa Roach, nakahambalan, hindi ko na nasa loob. Tsaka tumatanda na po yung lolo nyo, kaya hindi na ako makakasalo kagad. So again, Archer Myrtle winner of that race number 1. So uunahin na po natin yung group home, team home. Yun yung mauuna ngayong tapos alternate na yan. Alternate. Lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2. Take note po pala sa ating yung additional rule natin dito sa Dipat's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference. It's an alternate lane format. So 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 mangyayari doon sa pag Monday. Pag Wednesday for this month, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1, lane 2, lane 1. Ganon. So the next race, it's going to be team home na to. All the way na to, puro team home muna. Tapos ang susunod yung team road. Alright. Polaris taking on RT Tareca in our race number 2 of group home or team home, guys. Yan. Sinasanay pa po ng inyong likod yung anong format. Alright. So in our race number 2 of group team home, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 2 this time. And it's going to be RT Tareca starting at lane 1. Alright, alternate format po tayo. Alternate starting lane po tayo. Pula doon sa toss coin onwards hanggang matapos. Na? So, pagdating ng Wednesday, mauna naman lane 2. Pero this time, yung lane 2, yung team home. Team home naman. Tapos makuuna rin yung ano. Tapos doon sa ano, since team home ang nauna ngayong Monday, all Mondays, tapos all Wednesday, yung team road naman ang makuuna. Alright. Race number 2 of team home, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Polaris leading. Nice jump. Wow. Last lane changer. Final lap. Take off. Wow. What burst of speed and stability displayed right there by Polaris. Winning it against RT Tareca. Alright. Ibang klaseng stability yon yung pinakita niya doon. Wow. Grabe. Alright, so after a couple of races, it's going to be Polaris being the winner, Archila Myrtle being the winner, and Papa Roach blue with the blue. Next, race number 3 na tayo ng ating group home or team home. Alright, race number 3 for team home, it's going to be Papa Roach taking on RT Tareca right away. So si RT Tareca lalaban sa losers bracket. Kuwaining. Alright. Magic. Alright, in our race number 3 of team home, it's going to be Papa Roach starting at lane 1 this time. And RT Tareca starting at lane 2. Again, Papa Roach lane 1, RT Tareca lane 2. Alright, race number 3 of team home. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Tareca ahead. Good. Tareca. Aray! Embang! Final lap. Take off. Clear. Papa Roach wins. Alright. Nakabawi si Papa Roach. Tareca has yet to win. Biglang umimbang, durog. Biglang iimbang. Dirig. Dirig. Darag. Biglang iimbang di oras. Ano kaya yun? 0-2 kagad. P-Roach win. Green. Alright. Next. Race number 4 of team home, it's going to be Polaris taking on Archila Myrtle in race number 4 of team home. And in this matchup, dahil this week's parehas, dipihit parehas, dito po muna ako pupwesto. Ilalapag ko na lang. Sa madali nyo makikita kung saan magsastart yung mga lane. So lane 2 this time, yung higher seed. So in this case, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 2. Archila Myrtle at lane 1. Alright, race number 4 of team home. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay. Okay, okay. That's it. No winner. No winner. Parehong loser, kaya draw. Draw. Draw game. Ayan, last na yan. Draw. Draw game. Polaris versus Archer Amerto ended in a draw. No winner. Parehong imbang. Alright, so right away, Polaris coming back to close out this race. Alright, so last two races na tayo sa ating team home. Tapos susunod ito, team road. Alright, race number 5 of team home, it's going to be Polaris taking on Papa Roach in our race number 5, the penultimate race of their group. And in this matchup, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 1 this time. And Papa Roach will return to lane 2 as its starting lane. Alright, race number 5, the penultimate race of team home, switch on. Team home group stage, guys. Ready, set, Patay, mahabol pa yata. Naloko na. Ay, nalap. Tapo. Game over. Okay. Ito na ito pinta. Already done. The race was already decided. Bago yung course out na yun, the race has already been decided dahil nasundan na po si Papa Roach. Therefore, the winner is Polaris. So Polaris will end its single round robin in the group stage with a record of 2 wins and 1 draw. Kaya siya naman ito lang siya tunabla. Okay. So Papa Roach will end its campaign at 1 and 2. 1 win, 2 losses. Alright. Final race of team home. Ganun lang po kabilis ang ating group stage. Pero pinauna na po natin yung team home. So, the next race na dito, yung mga next 6 races dito, it's going to be team road this time. Alright. The final race of team home group stage, it's going to be Archer Amerto taking on Tito Reka. And in this final race of their group, it's going to be Archer Amerto starting at lane 2, Tito Reka at lane 1. Alright, I repeat, Archer Amerto, lane 2, Tito Reka, lane 1. Race number 6 and final for group stage of team home. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay, nakatulong. Draw game. Ati. Draw. So mabilis po tayo matatapos on that note, no? Naman ang ating bubusisiin for tonight's race day on the Pats Family SNC. Once again, ayan, welcome back po sa ating Pats Family Stock Motor Conference. Yan, tutuloy lang natin yung naunsyamin natin nitong November at December dahil sa mga matinding pagsubok na kinaharap ng inyo pong lingkod. Ayoko na pong mag-explain dahil ayoko na maalala yung mga masalimuot kong nakaraan anyway. Alright, so without further ado, we'll now proceed right away with our race number 1 of Team Road featuring Setsuna taking on Neon Sarah in our race number 1 of Team Road. Dahil puro Super 2 po yung naka-line up po, so dito ko po pupwesto. Dahil parehong defeat, 4 na defeat po yung ating natin. So lahat ng races sa ating group, team home ngayong, team road rather ngayong gabi, dito po ako pupwesto dahil lahat defeat. Mga super to kasi sila pare-parehas. Alright, so in our race number 1 of team road, it's going to be Setsuna starting at lane 1 and Neon Sarah starting at lane 2. Alright mga kalipat, let's brace ourselves for our group stage race number 1 of Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Dikit ang laban. Aba! It's a close match. Setsuna on ahead at the final lap. Oh. Walang umimbang. Walang gustong magpaiwan talaga. Ibang klase. Pero siyempre, mas daig pa talaga ng maagap ang masipag at si Setsuna ang naging maagap na masipag na nanalo sa ating unang karera sa kanilang lupon o grupo. Yan. So, Setsuna winning a close encounter against Neon Sarah. Ibang klase. Wow! Wow! Sabi ko sa inyo, magandang laban to eh. Alright, race number 2. Right away, tayo. This time, lane 2 naman yung higher seed. Alright, race number 2, it's going to be Venom taking on Empay. So, yung dalawang Tortured Masters natin. Alright, so sa ating race number 2 of Team Road, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 this time, and Empay starting at lane 1. Alternate starting, I repeat, alternate starting lane po tayo pag lipat sa middle. Stock motor conference at lahat ay race to 6. Every race here is a race to 6 format. Alright, race number 2 of Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Venom ahead. Oh my God. Good. Patay. Tabong KO. Winner, Venom. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Okay na po yun. Okay na. Venom winner. By hit. So, dito yung winner's bracket pala. Ito na, magandang laban. Venom Setsuna mamaya sa race 4. Rat-ratang umatikabo na naman gaya nung September. Empay loss, Venom won. Ibang klase to. Ibang klase to. Alright. Race number 3. Race number 3 na tayo right away. It's going to be Neon Sarah taking on Empay in our race number 3 of group home or road pala of Team Road, that is. And in this race number 3 of their group, it's going to be Neon Sarah starting at lane 1. Empay this time starting at lane 2. Alright. It's orange versus green. Here in our race number 3 of Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Good. Good. Final lane changer, Empay. Final lap, grabe yung nose dive niya, eh. Yun, okay. Nadis. Announcers, cheese. Slogan. Kasasabi ko lang yung pagka nose dive lang ni MP, biglang minalas. Biglang nasubsob. Buti na nga lang, nasubsob lang na ganun. Hindi yung talsik talaga palabas. Stock motor lang po tayo kasi. Kapag stock motor conference, alternate starting lane. Tsaka 6 laps all the way lang po. Okay. So, draw ang labanan nila. Empay Neon Sarah, draw. Pareho na silang 1 point. Next, Battle of Dark Warriors in our race number 4. It's Marvel versus SNK between Venom and Setsuna. Yung mga Dark Warriors natin magkalaban sa ating race number 4. Alright, in this race number 4 of Team Road, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2 and Setsuna will start at lane 1. Alright, it's blue versus purple here in our race number 4 of Team Road. Switch on. Ready, set, bye. Halimaw. Ayun, humabol. Woohoo! Yun lang. Sayang. Okay, go. Draw game. Sayang. Ang ganda na sana. Draw game. Tabla rin. Tabla rin. Tabla rin sila. Nagkatablahan lang eh. Tabla. Nian Sara, MP, tapos na. Si Setsu na daw, si tapos na. Yan na yung mga maglaban na format. Yung nahuling natumba, yun na yung mauna. Okay. Tabla, yung naging laban. Ganda na sana. Bawal pa magpunas ng gulong kasi napatay sa knockout stage. Bitaw lang tayo ng bitaw kasi classification phase pa lang naman to anyway. Alright, tsaka wala namang matatanggal eh. Pagdating ng knockout stage, saka lang may masisibak. Okay, penultimate race of our Team Road. It's going to be Setsuna taking on MP sa ating penultimate race ng kanilang group. And in this matchup, it's going to be Setsuna this time starting at lane 1 or returning to lane 1 as its starting lane. MP going back to lane 2 as its starting lane. Alright, it's orange versus purple in our penultimate race of Team Road. Switch up. Himaw. Ready, set, start. Set to the ahead. Grabe, patay. Take off. Winner. Winner, set to na. Hindi na nakakalit dun eh. Hindi ko na kinuha dahil napapagod kasi ako humabol. Nakakapagod kasi pumabol eh. Dapat ikaw naman ang hahabulin. Alright. Setsuna closing out the group stage with a victory over MP. Alright. Alright. So, loss kay MP. Si Setsuna panalo. Final race of Team Road is going to be Venom versus Neon Sara in our race number 6 and final for group road pala. For Team Road, guys. Alright, in our final race of Team Road, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 2, Neon Sara lane 1. Alright, it's blue versus green in our final race of Team Road group stage. Switch up. Ready, set, bye. Good. Venom now ahead. Grabe. Last lane change Venom. Final lap. Hey, Grabe. What burst of speed and stability displayed by Venom, being the big spider that it is. Being the big spider that it is, itong si Venom, tatapusin ang group stage with a victory over Neon Sara. Wow. What a way to finish Group B. Grabe. Tiebreaker race po tayo between Neon Sara and MP to determine who's the higher seeded rank. So B3 or B4 ang paglalabanan dito between these two cars. It's orange versus green again. So this time, sila yung race number 3. So si Neon Sara yung lane 1, lane 2, palit sila ngayon. Switch lane. So si MP ngayon ang lane 1. Alright. So ito yung magpapalitan sila ngayon ng starting lane. Lane 1 kanina si Lane 1 kanina si Neon Sara. Kung gano'n, lane 2 siya ngayon. Palit muna sila. Alright, switch lane yan. Tiebreaker pace for B3 and B4 ranking, switch on. Last man standing. So unang umembang, yun ay lower seed. Ready, set, bye. Okay. Unang umembang Neon Sara. Therefore, MP will garner B3 ranking. Ayun na. Ayun na. Last man standing nga po, sabi ko nga. So, therefore, si Neon Sara ang B4, MP B3. Yung po mangyayari dyan. Ayun na. Blue, no? Venom, ilan yun? 5 parehas. Yung isa naman, Neon Sara, 1 point apiece. So, yung madidetermine through tiebreaker phase, si MP ang B3, Neon Sara B4. S2, sabi ko na lang. Sara, Neon Sara S2. Yung si Neon Sara, pinangalan po yun sa ating pangalawang pangulo ng bansa na si Inday Sara Duterte. Yan. Shoutout po sa butihing Vice President at Deputy Secretary. Siyempre po. Yan. Shukran. Alright. So, this time naman, Venom versus Setsu na naman yung ating tiebreaker race. Yan. Kung saan madidetermine naman natin dito yung B1 at B2. Top seed ng Group B at saka second seed ng Group B. So, this time kanina, sila yung race number 4. Kung ganon, lane 1 ngayon lane 1 ngayon si Venom, tapos si Setsu na lane 2. Yun, tama. Kasi kanina nag-lane 2 si Venom eh. This time palit. Alright, tiebreaker pace for B1 and B2 rankings, Wichon. Ready, set, bye. Baba! Oh, grabe naman to. Siso battle nangyayari. On to the final lap, let's see. Who will bring the upper hand? Holy smoke. Wow. Bigla napataas ng boses ang inyo pong lingkod. Grabe. Mary Joy Castro watching right now. Shout out to you. Thanks so much for dropping by here on Dipats Tamilig SMC. Yan. Grabe yung naging nakita nating huling laro. Hindi naman umabot ng last man standing. Talagang tinapos in 6. Holy smoke. Grabe. Talagang siso battle nakita natin kanina. Partida, stock motor lang po yung dalawa. Lahat. Actually, lahat na nandito stock motor lahat yan. Grabe. Ibang klase. But in the end, it's going, after the smoke of that final race lifted, Setsuna will garner the top seed for Group B and Venom, yung mga ranking pace po natin. At the end of our group stage for tonight's edition of DTL SMC, it's going to be the matchup. Ito yung mga matchup na po natin. Alright. Quarters 1 it's going to be ang quarters 1 po natin will be Polaris taking on Neon Sara. Yan. A1 versus P4, it's going to be Polaris versus Neon Sara. In our first quarterfinal matchup, the second matchup is going to be Archera Myrtle taking on MP. Yan. Crossover quarterfinals po tayo tsaka semis din. Yan. B3 si MP, ang kalaban niya A2. Therefore, it's going to be Archera Myrtle A2 taking on B3 MP. Quarters 3, A3 versus B2 is going to be Papa Roach taking on si Setsu na dito sa quarters 4. Tapos si RT Tareka, ayun. A4 versus B1. Tapos A3 versus B2. Yan. Grabe. Magagandang laban to mga kadipat. Yan yung mga matchup po natin. Okay. So, didictate ko na lang po rito yung ating mga pag sa YouTube channel ko naman na Dipak TV, pag in-upload ko po dyan, ano na yan, may mga papakita ka na lang on screen. May mga lalabas na mga wordings on screen para determine yung mga binabasa ko rito. Okay. So our quarterfinals matchup is going to be Polaris versus Neon Sara, A1 versus B4, that's quarters 1. Archera Myrtle A2 taking on B3 MP in our quarters 2. And clockwise po tayo. Clockwise direction muna. Clockwise. Pagdating ng match, baliktad naman. Yan ang mangyayari. Clockwise lang tayo. Clockwise lang tayo talaga. Okay. So, una, A1 versus B4, Polaris versus Neon Sara. A2 versus B3, Archera Myrtle versus MP. Quarters 3 will be A3 Papa Roach taking on B2 Venom. And A4, the last quarterfinal matchup will be RT Tareka A4 going up against B1 Setsuna. Alright. So, yun na po. Kasado na po ang ating knockout stage. And right away, we'll proceed with our knockout stage here on DTL SMC. Once again, don't touch it, D-Pad right here on D-Pad's Tamiya League SMC or Stock Motor Conference as we go on with our quarterfinals matchup in the KO stage between A1, the top-seeded team home car Polaris taking on the bottom fourth of Group B, Neon Sara. So pwede na po tayo magpunas ng gulong ngayon dyan dahil ano na eh. Dahil nasa ano na tayo, nasa knockout stage. Yeah. Knockout or KO stage as we call it. Alright. So in quarterfinals number 1, it's going to be yung higher seeded lane 1, lane 2, sa quarters 2 and 4, lane 2 yung higher seed. Sa lane 2 magsimula yung higher seed. Ayun, yung sa quarters 1 and 3, semis 1, at saka race 4, lane 1 ang starting lane ng higher seed. So ano po mangyayari? Every Monday. Alright, even number naman eh. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, ganyan. Tapos 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, ano naman? Wednesday. Okay, dahil 8 race lang tayo ngayong buwan. 5, 12, 19, 26, saka 7, 14, 21, 20. O yun, sa race number 4 natin, Valentine's ano tayo, Valentine's edition tayo. Yan. Pwede tayo mag-stop speaking. Alright. So, yung mga ano po dyan, yung mga interesado ng mga Valentine quote at pugot, yan, yung pinost ko po dyan recently, nung February 3. Yan, by the way, belated happy birthday extended to Miss Kim Domingo, yan, nung February 3. And today, happy birthday today to Miss Christine Reyes, yan, utol po, sa napakaganda at napaka-sexy utol ni Aramina, itong si Christine Reyes, birthday niya po ngayon, February 1. Alright. So, in our quarters number 1, it's going to be Polaris, the top-seeded car for Group Home, starting at lane 1, the bottom part of Team Road Neon Sara starting at lane 2. Yan. O nga pala, pwede palang magbuga. Pwede palang mag-Dragon's Breath. Pwede palang mag-Dragon's Breath. Ika nga ni Sir Beats. Shout out pala kay Sir Bernard de Guzman, kay Sir Beats. Yan yung nagpoint ng Dragon's Breath, yung pagbuga ko sa motor. Alright, so without further ado, we'll now proceed with our knockout stage, the first ever knockout stage as we welcome ourselves back to D-Pad's Tamiya League with our continuing coverage of our Stock Motor Conference, beginning with this quarterfinals number 1 of the KO stage. Switch on. Ready, set, 5. Polaris ahead. Boom! Patok! Final up. Oh my goodness. Rematch. Change lane. Change lane. Change lane. Re-race pa more. Sayang, panalo na sana si Polaris, bigla pang re-race. Biglang biglang nag-nitro boost. Biglang nag-nitro boost, buti na nga lang hindi sumubsob do sa corner, kundi patay. Buti na lang change lane. Pero considered course out pa rin po yun. Pag nawala sa kanyang respective lane, naglanding tapos nasa ibang kabilang lane na siya napunta, course out na yun. So therefore, re-race po tayo. Alright. May oil kasi natira. Alright, first of 2 restarts in our QF1. Ready, set, bye. Boom! Napasuka! Last two, grabe ng dive. Grabe yung nose dive niya, eh. Final lap. Last man standing. Last man standing. Last man standing. LMS po tayo. Last man standing po. Sayang, pauwi na sana. Ay, tapos na sana yun eh. Ano ko nga yung down thrust dito, bakit parang parang sumasabay yung down thrust ko. Alright, final restart of quarters 1. So, kababalik lang natin, last man agad. Okay, ito pala, sorry. Teka. Nahirapan ako. Natanggal, official time out, wait. Natanggal yung hook. Alright, final restart tayo. Dito na nga lang, mas madali. Ready, set, bye. Hinabol! Ayun na. Ayan na ang laban. Bis pa rin ni Polaris. Last two. Final lap, good pa yan. Hey, winner. Winner sa wakas. Biglang tumirik si Neon Sara Dorog, naipit. Biglang naipit doon sa gulong niya. So Neon Sara will be booted out after that narrow defeat against Polaris, and therefore going back to the semifinals is going to be a Polaris who will enter the semifinals round. Yan, so si Neon Sara mapapalitan muna pansamantala ng kapwa niya din gayong survivor na si Murray. Yan. Alright. Next. Si Bak, si Neon Sara. Paikot po tayo, clockwise direction tayo. Alright. Quarterfinals number 2 right away between Archer Myrtle, the second seeded car from Group A against third seeded Team Road car, MP. So A2 versus B3 sa ating QF2. And dahil parehong dipihit, upo ako ulit. Upo ulit sa sahig. Yan. Maka-relax kahit papano. Okay. So in our quarterfinals number 2, it's going to be Archer Myrtle, this time starting at lane 2, and MP will start at lane 1. Contrasting colors po. Dahil blue si Archer Myrtle pero mag-start sa lane 2, and the other way around for MP. Orange, biglang yung 2 lane. Alright. Ito, wala nga, hindi ko makikipon yung MP. Hindi ko maihipan yung MA, buti na lang yan, hindi nagkalas yung mga old wheels niya. Alright. Alright mga kadipag, it's now time for our quarterfinals number 2. Switch on. Sorry. Ready, set, bye. Grabe naman yung dive. Good. Grabe Nakita niyo yun? Na-play changer ang Archer Myrtle. Final lap. Oh my goodness. KO! Winner! Grabe naman yun mga kadipat. Wow! Wow! Grabe yun. And it's going to be Archera Myrtle returning to the semifinals round. At yun naman maghihintay ng kalaban ng yung mananalo sa quarters 3, hihintayin ni Archera Myrtle kung sakali. And unfortunately, si MP maagang sibak. So, masama yung simula niya sa pagbabalik ng ating DPL SMC. Yung dalawang super po natin nasibak. Unfortunately na lang. Alright. Okay. Next. Quarterfinals number 3 na tayo. QF3 is going to be the third seeded car from Group A or Team Home Papa Roach, an AR chassis taking on the Super 2 car Venom, the second seeded car from Group B or Team Home Team Road. So, pipihit yung isa, so ano na lang din, dito na lang din ako format. So in our quarterfinals number 3, it's AR versus Super 2 right here. And in this matchup, it's going to be Venom starting at lane 1 this time dahil siya yung higher seed sa kanilang dalawa ni Papa Roach. So, lane 1 as a starting lane for Venom and lane 2 being the starting lane for Papa Roach. Alright, tok-tok ulit. Yung isa na, ganun din. Alright. Without further ado mga kadipat, it's now time for our quarterfinals. Number 3, switch on. Adimaw. Ready, set, 5. Mukhang mananalong gagamba laban pa Ipis. Oh! Winner! That's it! That's it! And that's it! Malas! And that's it! We don't need to finish that dahil nasundan na po si Papa Roach nitong si Venom. So unfortunately for Papa Roach will be booted out for this knockout stage tonight. And it's going to be Venom who will face Archera Myrtle in our semifinals number 2. Alright. So sila yung magkalaban pala. Si Archera Myrtle being the second seed from Group A. Second seeded ng Group A kalaban ang second seeded ng Group B. So ano na to? Toss coin na to kung sakali. Toss coin na yan. Kung pareho ng second seed, toss coin. Toss coin na yan kung kanina yung ano. Kung ang lalabas ulo, ibig sabihin kay Archera Myrtle. Kung sakaling ang lalabas buntot, yun ang kay yun ang kay Venom. Alright. Last quarterfinals matchup, it's going to be quarters 4 is going to be A for RT Tareka taking on B1, the top seeded car from Team Road, Setsuna. So in this matchup, it's going to be lane 2 for Setsuna, lane 1 for RT Tareka as the respective starting lanes. I repeat, RT Tareka at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2, yung po kanilang mga respective starting lane. Dahil nga po si Setsuna ay top seeded. So yung dalawang Dark Warriors po natin, let's see kung dalawang Dark Warriors makakapasok sa semis round. Pero whatever happens lang, kung sino yung unang dalawang natanggal sa Team Road, palitan ni Merrick at ni Metal Gear. Ngayon, doon sa kabila, si McLaurin ang babalik for Papa Roach. Tsaka si Cosmo Atomica, if ever. Kung sino yung mag-third seat na isa pa. Kung mangulilat yung dalawa, yun. Kaya na lang mangyari dyan. Alright. It's now time mga katipat for our... teka muna. Hindi ko pa pala na... Ito rin. Paano ko pa ba to? Ayun. Teka, kailangan ko mag-ano. Round plus 20. Yan. Alright mga kalipat, without further ado, it's now time for our quarterfinals number 4. Switch on. Ready, set, 5. Set na ahead. Good! Untik na yun. Final, patay. Tapos na. KO! Winner! KO! Knockout! Knockout! Si Mark Kenneth Gapos Guillermo, yan, sa Team Nuwang, watching right now. Thank you so much for dropping by. Kay teammate Mark Guillermo. Yan, teammate natin yan sa Team Nuwang Ordaneta. Yan. Thanks so much for dropping by. Ayan. Shout out team pala kaya Jeremy Delgado at kaya Gib Obito Otses. Yan. Kina Lawrence Buwado rin. Shout out sa inyo. Alright. So, after that battle, after that last quarter final duel, it's going to be Setsuna emerging victorious and will face Polaris in our first semi-final matchup. So, sila yung unang maghaharap sa semis, yung mga top seed. So, yung top seeded cars ng magkabilang panig, sila yung magkalaban sa ating semis 1 at semis 2. Yung hari ng yung dalawang hari na magkabila. Tapos yung sa semis 2, yung mga second seeded naman. So, yung mga top 2 nakapasok. Sila ngayon na nakapasok. So, therefore, sila Cosmo Atomica at McLaurin yung papalit kila Artie Careca at Carl Papao. On the other hand naman, sina MB at Ian Sara papalitan nila Merrick at Metalder on Wednesday. Yan po yung iba pang mga members ng Team Road at Team Home. Yan. Team Bahay at Team Labas. In English ko na lang. No? So, toss coin na to, if-ever. Alright. So, without further ado, we'll now start with our semifinals matchup. Semifinals number 1 will feature Polaris against Setsuna, the top seeded cars from their respective groups. So, Battle of Super 2 ulit ang mangyayari. So, laban ng pala to ng mga DP hit. Laban na ng mga DP hit at 3 Super 2 at isang MA. Grabe. Mid-ship Aero at saka S2. Mga nakapasok ngayon sa ating semi-finals round. As we resume Deepak Stamilic's Top Motor Conference. Ito yung toss. Dahil pareho ng ranking, na lang to? Toss coin, if-ever. Toss coin kung kanino yung So, kung Quantum Amusement ang umibabaw, yon yung si Polaris. So, si Polaris ang lane 1. Ganun mangyari. Okay. Starting lane nitong semis 1, lane 1. Sa semis 2, lane 2. Starting lane ng ILC. Okay. Ay, mali. Okay, nasalo. Alright. So, ang resulta ng toss coin, yung Quantum Amusement trademark ang lumabas. So, therefore, yun ang si Polaris. Si Polaris yung lane 1. So, in the semifinals number 1, according to my toss coin, it's going to be Polaris starting at lane 1, Setsuna starting at lane 2. I repeat, Polaris at lane 1, Setsuna at lane 2. Right. Pareho palang dipihit. Dragon's Breath. Dragon's Breath, activate. Alright mga ka-Deepak, you're still watching Deepak Stamilic's Top Motor Conference. Yan, as we continue our coverage here on DTL SMC. And we are now in our semifinals round of the KO stage, beginning with the semifinals number 1 between Polaris and Setsuna. Switch on. Ready, set, 5. Setsuna ahead. Polaris catching up. Setsuna still in command. Oh, Emang. Final lap. KO. Too fast for its own good. Polaris was just too fast for its own good. Unfortunate. And it's going to be Setsuna emerging victorious over Polaris, and Setsuna will enter the championship race for tonight's edition of DTL SMC. And yung si Polaris sa race for third natin siya makikita later on. Alright, in the meantime, semi-finals number 2 right now that will feature Archela Myrtle, the second seeded car from Team Home, going up against Venom, the second seeded car from Team Road. So dalawang DP, full mga DP hit yung aking semi-finalist natin. Puro DP hit ang switch. Diyos ko po. Ay, ako. Alright. In our semi-finals number 2, it's going to be, teka muna, toss coin pala uli kasi pareho ng rango. Kanino yung lane 1, kanino yung lane 2. Ganyan mangyari dyan. Kanino yung lane 2 this time pala? Kay Archela Myrtle ba o kay Venom? Kung Quantum Amusement, kay Archela Myrtle yan. Tak! Tokoy! O sige, hindi na salo yun. Hindi ka na nasalo. Nagdiwali. Oy! Iba ngayon ang ihit ng hangin. So, ang lumabas sa toss coin natin, in accordance with our toss coin, yung token ng lumabas, therefore, lane 2 goes to Venom. Alright, so, it's going to be Archela Myrtle starting at lane 1, Venom starting at lane 2. This time, napunta sa Team Road yung alas ng lane 2. Alright, so, lane 2 for Venom, Archela Myrtle, lane 1. Aha. Pwede matalo dyan. Malakas tong kalaban natin. Veterana. Veterana yan eh. Yan. Alright mga ka-Dipak, it's now time for our semi-finals number 2. Sit on. Sorry. Ready, set, bye. Hinabol! Woohoo! Archela Myrtle ahead. Try to hold on to the lead. On to the final lap. Oy, pwede ba? Ayun lang. Sayang. What a wasted opportunity right there for Archela Myrtle to clinch the other championship slot, championship race slot. Unfortunate nga lang. Unfortunate ending on that race for Archela Myrtle dahil medyo nasabit siya after that bouncing straight. So, it's unfortunate that na hindi niya natapos yung lap requirement at naunahan siya ni Venom. So, it's going to be the Dark Warriors from Team Road which will enter the championship race and will battle it out to see kung sino yung maghari sa ano na yan. Venom at saka si Setsuna parang lalaki kasi. So, sino yung maghari ngayon sa ating unang edisyon ng DPATS Tamil League since October. November, December, di na tayo natuloy dahil nga may matinding pagsubok na pinagdaanan ng inyo pong lingkod. Yung ganun na lang po yun, ganun lang kasimple. So, maraming klase yan pero hindi ko na i-explain sa inyo kung bakit. Basta, it's personal. Personal na po ito. No? May personal akong dahilan. Talagang, disgrasya. Sabihin na natin disgrasya. Alright. So, race for third na po tayo right away between the top seeded cars from Group A. So, parehong Team Home at parehong Team Home ang maglaban sa ating race for third between Polaris and Archela Myrtle. So, it's A1 versus A2. Tapos sa kabila, B1 versus B2 sa championship race. So, in race for third, lane 1 ang starting lane ng A1. Ang A2 ay lower seed lane 2. Tapos baliktad naman kapag championship race. Sa lane 2 naman ang higher seed. So, ganun po mangyayari. Alternate starting lane po tayo pag SMC. Tapos race to 6 lang po lahat. All throughout. From start to finish, race to 6 lang tayo. It's a race to 6 format. So, medyo mahaba na po yung track layout. Yung iba po dito na patalon, ako po yung gumawa. Actually, pinrovide ko lang ng mga patalon. Yan, may shoutout uli kay Lawrence Buwado. Ayan nga yung sinasabi ko, may ginawa kong mga patalon. Yan, yung dalawang area na doon. Doon po sa ano na yan, yung gray doon na yung tawag doon, BG straight. Tapos yung may kulay blue doon, bouncing straight. Kaya pansin nyo, medyo parang buwagsak na gano'n. It's simply because may naglagay ako ng mga patalon. Okay. So again, starting lane for Archera Myrtle is at lane 2. Polaris at lane 1. Alright mga ka-DPAC, without further ado, it's now time for our race for third of DPAC's Tamil Stockwater Conference this February 5, 2024. First to make 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Patay. Re-race. Empang parehas. Buti na lang di nagkasalubong. Buti na lang di nagkasalubong, kundi warat parehas. Yari. 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 Re-race pa tayo sa ating race for third. Okay. EMA kasi yun kaya hindi ko na maiipan yung motor niya. Buti pa Super 2. Buti pa yung Super 2. Ang dali-dali. Kahit SF, kahit TFM, ganun din yung FMA, hindi rin. Medyo confined yun motor niya pag FMA. Ang hirap yan. Kaya mas madali pag mga BS, BC, S2, ganyan. AR minsan. AR ata, medyo enclosed din siguro. Alanganin. Alright. First of 2 restarts in our race for third. Ready, set, bye. Mahaba kasi si Archera Myrtle Good! Ay pahan. Grabe. Last 2. Final lap. KO. Female. KO. KO. And at the end of that race for third, it's going to be Polaris emerging victorious over Archera Myrtle. Therefore, 1 point para kay 1 point para kay Polaris. Finally, nakakuha rin ng point si Polaris. Sa wakas, may 1 point din. Alright. So, dito na natin i-display mamaya, if ever. Dito na lang para mas madali. Uupo na lang ako. Alright. Teka mo na, check. Ikisan ko muna yung mga natalo pala dun sa quarterfinals. Check. Okay. Alright. So, third place finish goes to Polaris. Finally, winning a podium finish. Itong si Polaris Atlas. Nalabas din yung true potential ni Polaris. So, dominated po ng mga Super 2 chassis ang ating gabi. Lunes ng gabi ngayong pagbalik natin sa ating DPAT's Tamiya League. Alright. To culminate our festivities in our DTL SMC edition this Manic Monday evening, Lunes malinis ng gabi, it's going to be Setsuna, the top-seeded car from Group B, taking on the second-seeded car, Venom. Yeah. So, it's Setsuna versus Venom in our championship race. Kagaya, like the initial edition of our, like the inaugural edition of DPAT's Tamil League Stock Motor Conference last September 4, 2023. Yun din yung unang dalawa actually, September 4 and 6 of 2023. Silang dalawa yung nag-champion o nag-back-to-back finals pero nag-split sila splitting their appearances. Yan. Tigisang panalo at talo. So, tabla sila sa ano na yan. Doon sa unang dalawa. Alright. So, in our championship race, first time in a long while. Yan. Mula nang nawala tayo ng 2 buwan ulit. So, dahil sa disgrasya. Alright. So, ang ating top-seeded car na si Setsuna will start at lane 2, Venom at lane 1. I repeat, the starting lanes for both cars will be Setsuna at lane 2 and Venom at lane 1. Tama ba yun, ano? Ha? Parang malalakas yung baterya nito eh. No wonder bakit ang bibilis nila. Diyos ko po. Alright mga ka-DPAT, without further ado, it's time now for our championship race in our DPAT Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this February 5, 2024. First to make 6 laps, switch on. Ready, set, bye. Setsuna ahead. Venom catching up and grabbing the lead back, but Venom retaining his composure. Last 2 for Setsuna rather. Still in command, going to the final lap. And that's the lap. Touchdown Setsuna. And that's the wrap. No re-race needed. Ibang klaseng laban yon. First up, akala natin talagang hahabulin pa ni Venom sana eh. Pero talagang Setsuna was just resilient. Setsuna's tenacity and resiliency prevailing over Venom. Therefore, Setsuna being our first champion since October. And Setsuna will emerge victorious as our Monday night champion here on DPAT's Tamiya League Month of Love, February 2024, and it's going to be Setsuna emerging victorious with the championship, first 3 points of the month of February 2024. Yan, congratulations. Also, Venom, congratulations for being second place finisher for tonight's race day, and 2 points for Venom, and then 1 point for Polaris after finishing third. So, 3-2-1. So, yun ang mangyari this month. So, Setsuna with an early lead against Venom with 2 and against Polaris with 1. Alright. So, there you have it mga ka-DPAT. This will close out our Manic Monday edition of DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference this February 5, 2024. And once again, this has been your host here, and also host come racer come Marshall, all-in-one package, produced and directed by DPAT Aguilar, signing up for now. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga sumilip yan. Again, shout out kina Mary J. Castro, Mark Kenneth Gapos Guillermo, Wilson Rebamontan, kay Antoinette Delgado. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nanood. And in case for those who will be watching anytime here on our video log, every Monday and Wednesday, yes, we are definitely back right here on DPAT's Tamiya League Stock Motor Conference inside DPAT's laboratory. And once again, mga ka-DPAT, I remind everyone to stay safe and healthy, avoid negative vices, and get yourselves protected at all times from toxicity and all other negativities around you. And protect yourselves from all those things at all times and at all costs as well. Muli po, ito po ang inyong punong lingkod, Don Patrick D. Paragular, leaving you a pleasant Monday evening to all of you. And as always, to God be all the glory and honor. God bless to all of us. God bless all the beloved Maharlika Nation. And God bless the entire world and all of us Filipinos across the globe. At muli po, sama-sama tayong bumangon muli at ipakita at ipagmalaki na sa buong mundo ang ating pagmamahal sa ating inang bayang Pilipinas. Mali po, tayo ay Pilipino, isigaw na malakas ang ating panalo, taos puso, taas noo, kahit kanino. And once again, this has been another presentation of another exciting edition right here